The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Good morning, fellas. Guys, very good morning. Good morning, good morning. Today is Tuesday, January 17th. We are back at it after a 3-day weekend. Yeah, it feels like a Monday. Markets are trading like it's a Monday. Slow. Morning, fellas. Guys, today, for those of you that you guys should all be aware, I made an announcement last week many times, as well as put it in member Skype, both Skype channels, that today we will be starting our funded trader program again. Good morning, Hubba. Mark, good morning. So the funded trader program starts again today. Frank, good morning. Welcome back to the room. You guys, Doug, good morning and welcome. You guys should all have received an email from me as to what we're trading, contract size, etc. And if you follow directions, you should have set up your ATM strategies, which simply are generic strategies, but will allow us to get into the trades and, of course, move them. They're just big enough ATMs that it will allow for us to move targets and stops as needed. Nothing more. They're just generic, okay? But for the record, for those of you guys that are trading that program, I will go over everything momentarily. We do have a few trials. I just want to make one announcement for members and trials alike. This is obviously going to be a short week, given the fact that Monday was a federal holiday. Yesterday, the room was not open. Additionally, I will not be here on Friday. Will not be here Friday. I will be out of town on Friday. So it really, we're going to trade today, tomorrow, and Thursday. For the two of you, I think I have two, maybe three. I don't recall. For those of you that are on trial, your trials will conclude next week. Hopefully my trials are in. The registration link is very clear. It says the room opens at 8 o'clock. So this morning, we're gonna do what we do every single day. And for you guys on trial, and of course, for those of you, some of you are just back. In any event, whether you receive the email or not is irrelevant, I guess, at this point. I'm going to cover it anyways. We do have an ES bot trade on currently. I did not roll crude. The volume is still in the front month. It will be a rare, I've never seen it, when day one of the rollover, guys, has the back month has the volume. Maybe in the next day or two, I will check it. But the process, for those of you that are on trial and for those of you that have come back to the room, the process is the same every day. So every day I show the bots. For those of you that are on trial, the bots begin running at 6 a.m. They will be done trading at 11 a.m. So when you folks leave the room each day, you will have a individual total relative to instrument, and you will have an aggregate total. Additionally, for my trials only, I don't send it to members, as you guys know. For my trials, I will send you out a daily follow-up email, which will just recap the session, give you an individual breakdown per instrument as to profit or loss, and then an aggregate total. So first, bots. ES is currently in a short. Crude has not taken a trade as of yet. NASDAQ is down $5. YM, for some reason, my bot did not take this trade. It may have been too quick and skipped over the one tick slippage, but it did not take this trade. Otherwise, this would have been up about $260, give or take. But my bot did not take that trade. So neither here nor there. Last but not least is natural gas, which is up $80 at the moment. So a fairly slow morning for the bots. So that is what we will do every morning when we first come in. I will go over the bots and show you where we're at as we head into the session. Once again, bots begin trading at 6 a.m. I will again send out a daily email to those of you that are on trial, and it will contain the trade room video. It's an unedited video. I don't take the time to edit the video to simply trades. So it could be anywhere from 2 hours to 3 hours long. If any of you that are on trial would like to see what we've done in the past, you can follow me on YouTube, Targets Trading Pro, Bob Amico, where I have years worth of videos. I post to YouTube every day. Win, lose, or draw, good or bad, I post to YouTube. So if you want to follow me and check out those videos, please feel free. The second thing we do every day is I read a disclaimer. I'm not required by law to read the disclaimer, but I do read it. So if you're bored quickly or easily, you may want to go get coffee. From there, we're going to go through charts. I'm going to show you my charts. I'm going to tell you what I think is happening. This is going to be an interesting week. Goldman Sachs, by the way, missed this morning. I'll show you guys. But Goldman Sachs missed. JP Morgan beat. But we are in earnings season. I think we have a couple of big announcements this week. We do have PPI. Last week we had CPI. This week we have Producer Price Index. We also have the looming debt ceiling, which could pose a significant issue for the markets. I think the last go around with the debt ceiling issue, the markets fell pretty significantly. The NASDAQ has broken down out of an hourly bear flag, so we are breaking down on the hourlies. So next, let me read the disclaimer, which I will do every single day. This is your cue to get coffee or listen to me read the disclaimer. U.S. government required disclaimer. Futures and options trading has large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the futures and options markets. Do not trade with money you cannot afford to lose. This website is neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell futures or options. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those discussed on the website. Past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. CFTC Rule 4.41, hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since trades have not been executed, results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. This presentation is for educational purposes only. The opinions expressed in this presentation are mine and mine alone. All trades presented should be considered hypothetical and should not be expected to be replicated in a live trading account. Last but not least, past performance is not indicative of future results. The fact that I may or may not be in a trade does not lend more or less credence to any trade. Please trade according to your own accounts. Please trade according to your tolerance for risk. Okay, so there's our disclaimer. Ordinarily, I would segue into charts, but because today is the first day that we are doing the funded trader program, again, I'm going to get into charts in a minute. I want to go over the funded trader program. Again, I sent an email to everybody. Some of you, hey, Ryan. I've sent an email to everybody. Some of you may not have received it through the glitches of email. I realize that I send out hundreds of emails, and there is a percentage of those emails that are never received or floating around somewhere in space. They may show up next week, next month, next year. I don't know. So let's go over the funded trader program. So please pay attention. First, I am going to be trading 2 contracts in the NASDAQ. I will be trading 1 contract. We're keeping the dollar value equal. I will be trading 1 contract in VES. I will be trading 1 contract in gold, 1 contract in crude, and 1 contract in natural gas. If you guys elect to do something different, then you're on your own. Okay? But that is where we're going to start. Now, that does not preclude me from adding into a trade, either on a pullback or, we get a runaway long or short and we want to add into it as long as we have viable targets. Okay? So we're going to start with 2 contracts on the NASDAQ. Let me do this. Bear with me 1 second. What I want to do. Okay, here's the email I sent. Okay? Daily goal is $400 to $500 per account. So that means you should all be starting out with an account right now that has no balance on it. Zero balance. Or at least 0 on the DOM. Okay? If you've traded this morning, for instance, and I'm going to be trading with you. For instance, I've got 1 account up $20. Each day that we come in, I'm going to have a hard floor per account of $750. I'm going to have a ceiling of $400 to $500 per account. If there's anybody unclear, feel free to ask a question. Okay, so that's explained here. Our daily draw will be 750, at which point we will stop trading that account and we may roll to a new account. Wayne, let me just finish, man. Haven't gotten there. I'll get there, I promise. Part of this program, if you are in the program, there are some things that are not negotiable. Each day by 11:30, you just need to send me an email and tell me what you did for the day. It's very simple. The room closes at 11. It takes 4 seconds to send me an email. I am tracking those here. Wayne, if you want me to add you to the list, Wayne, I did not put you on the list. They are all tracked here. Okay? So I will track daily totals. You can see here 17, 18, 19, 20, so on and so forth. And we'll continue that next week until we get funded. Once funded, you're at it, buddy. Once funded, yes, Mark, as per what I just said, yes, roll to a clean account. Once funded, I'll start another list, and then we have a different criteria. Neither here nor there. We'll get to that when we get funded accounts. Okay, I will generally trade 2 contracts on the NASDAQ using an initial ATM strategy. So the initial ATM strategy on the NASDAQ is 50 ticks. Okay? So here is my ATM strategy on the NASDAQ. 50 ticks. Profit target 1 is set at 20 ticks. Profit target 2 is set at 30 ticks. 2 trades like that, and you have your $500 daily goal. Now, we may move those targets and stops. I did them. 50 ticks is big enough that I should be able to move my stop and targets if I see where we can go higher or lower, right? Depending on, where we're at. But that's the initial stop. And that's your ATM strategy. So you guys should be writing this down if you did not get my email. You're going to build an ATM strategy on the NASDAQ with a 50 tick stop on each 1 and 2 targets, and then 20 and 30 ticks. ES is 1 contract trade. Stop is 12 ticks. Target will be 15 ticks. Natural gas, 1 contract trade. Stop will be 20 ticks. Target will be 20 ticks. Now, 20 tick stop may not be enough on natural gas, as you guys know. But I'm only looking for momentum trades. Right? I'm not looking to sit in a trade. Gold will be a 1 contract trade only. Stop is 20 ticks. Target will be 15 ticks. Again, all of these targets and stops may move, but this is the entering position. Crude is also 1 contract. Stop will be 20 ticks. Target will be 20 ticks on crude. Okay? Most of these trades will be based on order flow, not bot trades. Some of you may ask, why not bot trades? I have a number of people that have recently joined the room in an effort to get funded that do not own the bot. Consequently, they can't trade the bot. They don't have it. However, if there is a bot trade that I am particularly fond of, then I will tell you this is a bot trade. For instance, NASDAQ just went long on the bot. Just got first target. Stop went to break even. And we may take bot trades. Okay? For those of you that are here on trial and your interest are the bots, you will see the bot trades. I will show them when they trade. Okay, so NASDAQ just went from $5 down when we came in to $3.15 up. And ES just reversed into a long, largely chopping around. If ES can get above 12, our target would be 20 on the ES. Neither here nor there. Okay? So the funding program is going to largely be based upon what? My order flow trades. That means you will have to pay attention. Okay? The room opens at 8 o'clock. I expect you guys to be here at 8 a.m. There may be trades to do at 8 a.m. or 8:05 or 8:07. I don't know. There may not be. We get some pre-markets where there's nothing of any significant interest. That said, if there are trades to do, we will do them. If you guys are using a trade copier, I'm not opposed to it. I am not opposed to it. I have a trade copier. I have multiple accounts. I am not using a trade copier. That does not mean you should not. However, if you are using a trade copier, there are some things that I would suggest. The first is, if you have 2 accounts, I wouldn't use the trade copier. I would not use the trade copier because if we hit maximum drawdown, which is $750 for the session, and you've done that on your 2 accounts, you're done trading. You have nothing else to trade. If you have 10 accounts and you want to use the trade copier on 3 accounts or 4 accounts, okay, that's cool. Because if in fact we hit the drawdown today, 1, it doesn't knock you out of the game. That's why I'm keeping a hard floor at 750. We still have the accounts. We haven't hit maximum draw. Tomorrow might be a better day. But But if we change to another account, you still have an account to trade. So if you're trading, if you're using the trade copier, I suggest that you do not use the trade copier across your maximum number of accounts. If you have 5, maybe you want to trade 2, maybe 3. I don't know. That's going to be entirely up to you. But do not do all 5 accounts. If you're using a trade copier, be perfectly clear on this point. I primarily trade the NASDAQ. Okay? The NASDAQ, as most of you know, is a maniac most of the time, especially the first 30 to 40 minutes. It's up, it's down, it's up 40, it's down 20, it's up 30, it's down 40. The trade copier will not give you perfect executions. So if you're trading multiple accounts, the probabilities are you're going to get multiple entries. They will not all be the same entry. Now, if I were to take a trade copier here on gold at 13, they'd all get filled at 13, maybe 13.1, maybe 12.9 within a tick. Gold isn't rocketing around like a maniac, but the NASDAQ does. So you must check your position page upon execution. You need to know, so your position page in Ninja must be readily available. This is not negotiable. I've seen a lot of guys blow up a lot of accounts because they didn't check positions. It is not, Joel. Okay? Because of positions. You need to know where your positions are. The other thing with the trade copier is you must keep, if you're using Apex, I can't speak to any other, I cannot speak to any other platform because I don't know them. Apex, you must keep your main page up, which has a button to flatten everything. So if in the event you get caught in a trade, for instance, you get 2 NASDAQ contracts that get filled 10, 15, 20 ticks late. Half of your accounts have hit target and several are underwater. That's because of the odd fills. If you want to flatten the positions, you must have your Apex position page open. You just simply hit flatten position. Okay? Go to Apex, Nolan, and you will see it. It says flatten position. If you're unfamiliar with it, don't use a copier. I'm telling you, I'm warning you guys. I've seen plenty of people blow up plenty of accounts because of an error on the trade copier. No, it's not in the RTrader dashboard. And I will tell you, I'm taking a trade. We just traded into 5 minute. That should have been red. This is the pain in the neck of trading on a 5 minute chart. Nice job, Chris. You missed nothing, buddy. I don't worry about you at all. How much snow do you have in Montana? Oh, that's nothing. 12 to 16 inches. It's nothing. Guys, right now the market is pretty quiet. Andrew, you're in Montana? Where in Montana? I think Chris is in. Chris, you're in Bozeman, right? Yeah, you're in Bozeman. Andrew, where are you? Missoula. Either of you guys fly fish? Man, Andrew, I'm gonna have to come out and see you, man. I'll give you some one-on-one tutoring, and then I can write the whole trip off. Chris, if you could point me in the right direction, you're in as well. I mean, listen, it's not hard to find trout in Bozeman. I told you I almost moved there a bunch of years ago. We're just goofing around in here, guys. I have no order flow trades. I think we pull back. If I look at a bigger time frame, we're long hourlies, long 10 minutes, so I'm really looking for pullback entry longs. I would probably consider a long at 68.5 for a small trade. If it pulls back, I don't think we come below 66. Hang on, guys, 1 second. I do not do any saltwater fishing. No. All right, NASDAQ got target. No. Although my buddy that I fish with quite a bit, his wife is from Savannah, and they go to Savannah quite a bit in the summer. She's a teacher, and next summer I think I'm going to go up there and fish for tarpon. That's on my bucket list. Yeah, I mean, I would do it if I could do it on a fly rod. Can it be done on a fly rod? I don't bait fish. I don't spin fish. I am a ardent, hardcore fly fisherman. Guys, we have all day. I am in no hurry to get into a trade. All day relative to order flow. Bear with me 1 second, fellas. I just have to send somebody a link. Let's see here. 5180. Hang on 1 second, guys. I sent the link out this morning. We have order flow class today. Thank you for bringing that up, Lori. Guys, if you are in order flow class today or Monday, but yesterday being a holiday, I have sent the link for order flow class. I sent it out this morning. Classes today at 11:45. If you do not have the link, please email me. What do you mean you didn't get the correct link? There is only one link. Did you get a link for order flow? Oh, okay, it was empty. Got it. Yeah, I don't know why, but oftentimes the link gets corrupted when I send an email, and consequently it gets delivered without a link. So if that's the case, send me an email. It happens every week to about 6 or 7 people without fail. I don't know why. I will be right back, fellas. Right back. I'm just going to get coffee. All right, guys, I'm back. NASDAQ's also in a bot short. We're into some support here on the NASDAQ at 68.5. I'm watching 66 on NASDAQ. $65, $66. I will try on NASDAQ. I will try a 66 long. Okay, so I'm pending 66. Target 1 filled on the NASDAQ bot. We hit 67.5. YM going for second target on the bot. NASDAQ's holding small support here. All right, I'm filled 66. Need to get back above 68.75. Come on, give me some buyers. Got both targets on the bot. And this has to bounce right here at VWAP or I'm killing this trade. There we go. Come on, bounce. Come on, buddy. Got to get back above 67. Come on, bounce here. Let's go. Not bouncing fast enough for me, guys. Come on. Let's go, NASDAQ. Bounce VWAP. Let's go. It's trying to hold VWAP. It's got to get above 69 and we'll get target 1. 68.75 to 69. It's not doing it. Come on, give me buyers. I've got 10. Not going to do it on 10. I can tell you that. 9, 16. All right, I'm killing the trade, guys. Trade's killed. Done. Done. Kill the trade. It may hold and it may bounce, but I'm not sticking around to find out. It looks like it may bounce. It's a wash trade. $10. Everybody understand? I'm out of the trade, right? Everybody clear? Okay. Everybody should be flat. Okay. So that's what you're going to see. If I'm going to take a trade, I'm putting it on, it'll be on my DOM. Hopefully we don't have bots in the way. Joe, I've already done it. I'll send you an email. Send me an email and I'll send it to you right now. Never mind. I already sent it to you. I just sent it to you, Joe. Randy, I just sent you your order flow link. Hopefully that one gets there. Yeah, it was just easier for me to send it than have you send an email. Guys, we could bounce here. I mean, on the NASDAQ. We're holding VWAP, but we have all day. Mine did not yet. It's set up or setting up, but has not. Guys, if you are here on trial or you're returning to the room, yes, correct, Wayne, or returning, to the room, every day at 9 a.m. I take my breakfast break. So I will be taking breakfast from 9 to about 9:20. Does anybody have any questions? Okay, Randy, good. Come on, let's get second target. Let's go. Percent, Becky. Okay, out on the YM, on the runner. All right, guys. It's 9 a.m. I will be back in 20 minutes. My bots are all off. Okay. I'll be back, fellas. So coming into the open, morning, James. The ES spot is down 825. Crude has not taken a trade yet. NASDAQ is up 120. YM is up 70. Woohoo! Big $70. But I am missing a $250 trade. And natural gas is up 250. So we'll see where we finish off. We're off. We're off. We could push up to 638. So at the moment, if there's a trade, it's going to be verbal. My NASDAQ is frozen. My DOM is frozen. My Ninja is frozen. Looks like we could pull back to 85. I would take a long somewhere between 79 and 85 at the moment. If you can believe it, my damn DOM is frozen. So I couldn't trade if I wanted to. Well, we didn't get the pullback. We're going to squeeze up to 16. There it is. And then 22. Yours too? Yeah, this Ninja just is a pain in the keister. It does not handle volume really well. Yep. Eddie, how long have you been in the room, man? I want you, I'm not being critical. I'm asking you to think for yourself. I show the trades and the bot trades every single day. Tell me what you've seen every single day. I have no DOM, guys. So whenever this slows down, I use a Unirenko on the ES, man. And it isn't earlier for months and months and months. Yeah, Ninja. I mean, with complete candor, Ninja is a complete piece of shit platform. It's not TradeStation. It's not TD Ameritrade. It's not, I mean, it's just not. They can't handle volume and indicators. All right, I got a bot trade on the YM. Guys, long NASDAQ at 13.5 right there. Long NASDAQ. Long NASDAQ. Your long NASDAQ. I'm going to keep the stop to, I don't like that 94 stop. Come on. You guys should have an ATM. I can't even trade it, so thank you, Greg. Stop is going to be right here. Come on. My stop is 05, fellas. 05. If you're in at 13, first target is 18. You should have gotten that. Getting all kinds of long signals. And then, guys, my stop always goes to break even. I'm still okay, now I'm not frozen. I can trade now. Unless it decides to do it again. All right, just a pullback here, fellas. Support's going to come in at 95 initially. Let's see if we get 85. We held 95. Nice job, Wayne. Nice job, Mimi. Everybody good on that NASDAQ trade, guys? Looks like we're going to get a pullback. I'll take somewhere between 80 and 85 long is what I'm looking at. 80 and 85 long. And I'm frozen again. God dang it. Look at this. Look at this. I'm frozen again. I had a Dom for a moment. All right, guys. I'm going to try the long. Damn it. My long was 80 to 85, and I couldn't do anything with it. Look, there we go. God dang it. If anybody took it, you should get targets here. Nice. Both targets filled. Anybody take it on the verbal 80 to 85 area? Okay, Andrew. So you got targets. All right. You guys got targets. Okay. Nice job, Wayne. Look, my Dom's frozen again. It's frozen again. We're going up, fellas. If we get above that maybe 10 area, 9.5, 10, we go again. I don't like chart trader. No. But I don't think all right, I'm going to try the long. Come on, pull back. This is bananas here, fellas. All right. Come on. We've got support. I got a short on the bot on the NASDAQ. There's target one. Both targets filled. Okay, you've already hit goal on one account. I'm frozen again. We're into. Come on down a little bit more. 75 on a pullback. We're going to test VWAP. Yeah, me too. I would be long at 96. No, I'm not. Dom's frozen again. Look at this horse shit. Come on. It's not shorts, guys. Yep. That's where I want it. 96. We could pull back now into 70s. This small net sellers. Come on, you dog. All right, guys. Gold is turning over. SPX puts 39.85 is what it looks like. Come on, turn up on me. Come on, baby. Turn up. That's support, VWAP. Next candle, I'll be long. Right there. I hit buy market. Only God knows where I'll get filled. Only God knows. Look at this. I got filled at 72. I'm out. I can't even close the effing trade. I can't even close the trade. Nothing I can do. Dom's frozen again. Are you kidding me? I want NASDAQ back above VWAP, and I'll take it long again. Come on, get above VWAP. Right here, long again. Try it again. 76, 77. Dom is frozen again. Look at this horse shit. Unbelievable, man. I can't either. I'm going to take a loss. God dang it, man. I've had it with Ninja. I've had it with Ninja, fellas. This is why. Look at this. Still frozen. 99.75 was the resistance. Come on, buddy. It's trying to push through it. It's there. It keeps hitting it and backing off. Come on. It's trying to go through, guys. It's trying to bid through 99.75. You can see it. We hit it. We back off. We hit it. We're there at 99.7. There we go. I'm assuming I got target. And then 14 was final target, and I can't even move my damn stop. So 99.75, nothing I can do with the runner other than leave it. My Dom is frozen again. I've never seen so many goddamn problems in my life. Done on that account, up 590. Nice job. Come on. I'm on the close. All right. I hit close, and I don't know if I closed or not. God damn it. I fucking give up. I fucking give up with Ninja. Seriously, I give up with this piece of fucking shit platform. I mean, this is just ludicrous. I see so many of you guys having so many problems. Now, the possibility is it's not Ninja, that it's, in fact, it could be Apex. I'm not using Ninja. Nice job, Ricky. My brother's up 562 and 557 on his accounts. You're not having any issues. And I mean, numerous, so many of us are. I'm going to try along again, guys. There's some support. We could come back to 73. See if we pull back into 73. We have 400 plus net buyers. I have no trades in natural gas. Gold is starting to turn over, but I don't have a trade unless gold breaks below 13. Crude hasn't turned over, so this is kind of I mean, we're pinging around pretty damn good. I have no trade anyplace else, so I'm focused on ES. I'm sorry, NASDAQ. ES is failing the 200-day. That could be, Floyd. I mean, 912.2, yeah. I thought below 13. We're holding support now at 87. I'll try an 87. Nope, not going to get it. 80 to 87 area support. I may get it on this. Nope. Let me look at the bigger time frames. And we've got hourlies are up. If you're trading a cash account, you're longs, which doesn't obviate pullbacks. But if we move above 9, we should move back into the high of the day. NASDAQ's long on the bot. There's target 1 and 2. YM is long on the bot. I'm going to take a long on the NASDAQ, guys. Got target. Got target 1, but I can't do anything about. There we go. Target 1. And I can't even move my stop. YM got target 1 on the bot. We're going up, fellas. I'm telling you, we're going up. Target filled here. We're going up, guys. We are going up. We are going up. One more trade here, and I'll have my goal on this account. We're pushing resistance here, but a clean breakthrough here. Let me tell you, if NASDAQ gets, we're going to trade 630, and then Friday's high, or maybe it was yesterday's high at 38. I think it was Friday's. 638. ES is pushing above that 200-day, not by much, but it is above the 200-day currently. We are going to break out. ES, if it breaks out above Friday's high at 27, is going to get 38. Above 27, you're going to get 38. Above 38, you're going to get 55. NASDAQ is breaking out. NASDAQ's target is 40.20. That's ES, I'm sorry. NASDAQ's target is coming 31. I would like to see gold pull back, crude pull back. Let me adjust my lines, guys. We have resistance here on the NASDAQ at 27. I've got support here at 16. We just hit it. Better support. Come back and test the what was major resistance around 9. And my DOM is frozen again for the 712th time. I have no trades in crude. Crude might be a short below 77, give us a small short. Natural gas maybe pulls back to 64, but I need a break much lower than that to trade it. ES, I really need ES to clear that swing high at 24-ish. You can buy Q calls on a pullback to 280.75. Q calls at 280.75. Your stop would be 280.21. And I'm watching NASDAQ for another long at 10. Maybe 10 half. I'm at 10. Got to 14 quarter. Come on, just go give me target. Target filled. Give me next target. Both targets filled. I'm done on this account, guys. Up 610. I'm done on this account. 610. You guys good? Let's see here, Steve. No, what I think, Steve, the daily goal is 400 to 500. You're done, Joe. You're done. Nice job, Eduardo. Your account's at 605. Nice job. Yeah, what I think, guys, my opinion, I'm not sure that this is here's a NASDAQ bot trade. I have no other bot trades. The only thing trading is NASDAQ. What I think is I think this is an Apex issue with their data. I don't think this is Ninja. Too many of us are having a problem. All right, so I'm done on this account, guys. I'll go to an account that has 0. Okay, target 1 filled. I can't even change accounts. Well, unbelievable, man. Seriously, both accounts hit. And this put on a goddamn trade. My NASDAQ put on a trade. We're breaking out. They're breaking out, guys. I have no idea what this is about. 10 o'clock. We're breaking out. Long ES. Long ES. We're breaking out. This is freaking, my DOM is frozen again. All I did was try to change. No, there's no news. I'm listening to news. I have no DOM. Anybody long? You got targets. Target was 15 ticks. You got targets. Look at this move. Boom, gone. Nice job, guys. Yes, targets filled. Everybody should be at $500. Irrespective. Yeah, my Ninja's whacked too. There's nothing I can do. Guys, I have no DOM. I have no DOM. No working DOM. It entered a trade on its own at 23 quarter. All I was doing was changing accounts. Let me just check something. Ray just passed 9 Apex $50,000 accounts. Nice job. That ES trade, guys, would have done it. 10 handles, not even, right? Seriously, I mean, this is unconscionable. If this is Apex, it's unconscionable. Yes, did it. Yep. All right, guys. Let me disconnect my own Rithmic data. I don't even have all my charts loaded. I haven't missed any trades on the bot. All right, I'm loaded, guys. Now I have to shut down my personal Rithmic data. I mean, some of it is going to be dependent on how many charts you're running as well. First account is at 610, done for the day. I've got one account at 250 and one account at 230 on the day. The 230 was from yesterday when I played. We have 2,000 net buyers. I am not looking for shorts. This area here, 74. I'd have to go back now and redo all my charts because we've broken out of this range. Yeah, it's definitely Apex. It's definitely Apex. Guys, give me 1 minute. I'm just going to get coffee. Here comes the breakout again. Let me get bots on again. Nothing would be in a trade, so I miss nothing. Breaking out again, guys. I'm not buying a daily breakout, so let me see if I can get a trade in crude. Crude might be interesting. It's due for a damn pullback. Dom's frozen again. Oh my God. Jesus, Mary, and Joseph. Here we go. Gold, nowhere near a trade. Natural gas, I need a 5-minute close above VWAP. I almost think you can take a natural gas trade here long. Let me just take a look at it on another chart. Yeah, 10 is resistance. If we get above 10, we can go to 40. All right, I'm going to try a natural gas long, guys. I got filled at 09. I'm long natural gas at 09. It's got to break above 10. We have small net sellers. It's got to get above 10.11. There it goes. You guys want another 70, 80 bucks? Take it. 22 is a little bit of resistance right here, 21, 22. If you guys want to take 100 bucks, you got it. I'll take 20 from 10. I'll take the 100 bucks. I'm out. I closed it. Yep, I'm out. I need the 5-minute close to confirm. Thank you, Steve. There it goes. Targets would have been hit. 29 was the 20 tick target. There you go. Would have had the 20 ticks. Should get to 37.40. Nothing on crude. NASDAQ. Oh, there's a bot trade on the YM, a short. I mean, we're long everywhere, guys. I will look to short NASDAQ on the daily time frame. We're way overbought. And the top of the cloud is about 96. We're within 20 handles of, I don't see a head and shoulders. It would have to get up above 750 to complete that right shoulder. Top of the cloud, guys, is about 700. Let me put that there. A lot of sellers coming into the NASDAQ, guys. I will take a short on the NASDAQ. It's got to come below that swing at 55. It's got support at 51. Support is at 63 on a 5-minute. Below 55, we could get a nice little retracement. So I'll try a, God, my Dom is, oh man, I'll tell you, I've had it with this Dom. Let's call it, well, that's not what I wanted to do. 54.50 short. All right, we got target 1 on YM bot, and here comes target 2. We just had both targets hit on the YM bot. You can get aggressive and short 58. That's, well, then you're not trading combine accounts, James, because I have Rhythmic too. I have my own personal Rhythmic for 12 years. But you can't trade both. Nice job, Hubert. Just adjusting some charts, guys. I mean, they're a mile overbought. NASDAQ held support at 55.75 area, give or take. Gold looks like it could break down. I need to get below VWAP before I even entertain it. Thank you, Hubert. I appreciate that. Have a good day. See you tomorrow. Don't forget to send me your totals. For those of you guys that are done, send me your totals. Send me totals. If you have an account that's down, I don't need that total. Meaning you stop trading it. All I want is the ones that are green. I realize that we're going to have some guys that are down, but I'm only tracking towards funded. Gold could give a small breakdown. Crude might get a bid. Okay, you can cancel that short. We held support and bounced. No, you can join. You didn't ask to be put in it. I didn't just generically send out emails, James. I mean, I made the announcement literally every day last week. I said, email me if you guys want to be in the, in the funded trader combine. Yep. 12.2 is my short on gold. 12.2. 12.2 on gold. Yeah, that's all I want. If you, I don't have a way to track 5 accounts or 10 accounts or whatever, right? I'm only, most people are. I mean, for instance, this is my 5th account for the day. You can cancel NASDAQ. Still do, well, maybe not. Gold needs 12.2. I'm pending on gold. Nolan, that's not how the program works. Okay? Go, you can cancel NASDAQ. If you guys can't follow simple directions, I cannot help you. I cannot help you. I read them this morning, man. If you have an account that's down 750, you're done trading it for the day. Period. The end. Tomorrow's another day. You can trade that account tomorrow. Okay? Well, if you want to, continue to take a trade, you're right on the cusp. It's your prerogative. But here's the thing. That's why we have multiple accounts, right? So if you have an account that's down marginally, switch to an account that's not down and try to get one green instead of trying to dig yourself out of a hole on another. Tomorrow's another day. You can come back to that account. What we're not trying to do is blow accounts up. That's why we're switching accounts at daily goal. Yeah, mine too. Mine too. It's a trend day. I mean, it is. It's just a trend day, guys. And crude hasn't even taken a trade. $85 would be the next long, but you're taking it right into, that's the high of the day. I cannot buy that. Whichever one you have, Onyx. We could try a 68 long on a pullback. 68 half. It's holding 72, but I do have support at 70. I don't see any sellers really anywhere. Gold may trigger at 12.2. Let me put a mark there just in case. I should hear it, right? Canceling NASDAQ. ES, guys, is going to make 40, 35 to 40 area. Yeah, I understand. I mean, I get it. And there's nothing I can do, if I've got lagging and, or freezing like I have, there's absolutely nothing I can do for anybody if we have lagging or freezing. Absolutely nothing. I really don't want to be trying shorts. NASDAQ is crazy. All right, so short gold. YM just shorted. Gold should get 11.5. I moved target on gold, guys, to 11.3. 12.2, man. 12.2. Stop is 13.8. And if it doesn't, it held support. I don't want to see it bounce back up to VWAP. It's not. We have sellers. There's only 300 net buyers in gold. My stop may be too small, but you have to understand what I'm not trying to do is violate my trailing draw. So I'm not going to let it go 40 ticks against me to get 20 ticks on the downside. You understand? I'm out of gold. I'm going to close it in about 1 second here if this doesn't drop down. It's all sellers. 290 net buyers. Crude is finally coming down a bit. Gold is short, but the real stop is 16.8. I'm not doing that. I'm not giving 47 ticks to stay in a trade. I'm out. I'm out of gold. I'm out of gold. I'm out. Small loss. It may come down still, guys, but I'm out of gold. Crude could come 80.45. And gold's right back to entry, pretty close. It's all sellers right now in gold. I'm going to try NASDAQ short. Well, because it's getting absorbed. I'm watching NASDAQ for a short. We're close to a short. We really need to below 61, and I think we short. YM got, come on, NASDAQ short. We're due for a pullback. Listen, guys, I take the trades I see. What's at 10:30? Is there news? Well, the initial balance is obviously long. Look, my DOM is frozen again. Short NASDAQ. 63. You guys are going to get targets. Look at this. My DOM's frozen. I was waiting. You got target 1. Unbelievable. Just unbelievable. We could start a pullback to 620, 630, 640. Nice. Target one and break even. You guys good on that? We got to come below 55 still. That'd be the next entry I have. I'm waiting for the next 2-minute bar. All right, I hit a short here. I'm a little early, 55 quarter. I'm early on that. I needed to get below 55. It's going to want to hold this. Come on. I'm early on this, guys. Support's going to be 48.75. Nice job. Hit goal on both accounts. You're welcome, Wayne. Nice job. Come on, get below that 54 and go. Come on, you dog. We got 800 sellers here, guys. 800 in this 3-minute block. Come on, break 54. Stop being a chump. And I'm frozen again. Frozen again. God dang it. Seriously. Come on, you scumbag. Let's go. Give me target. Got one. Got one. Got two with two runners. I'm out. This account's at 440. Guys, I have a target at 617. If you're trading a live account and you can take back and forth. We're coming down. We're coming down. Yes, I did. Because I froze and bounced up. So I couldn't do anything with the trade except take the ATM off and add a trade. We're coming down. Nice job, Nolan. We've got support at 48.75. A break of that, we're right at 48.75 now. A break of that, we get 39.40. Below that, we could come 593. Yep, gold is working out well. Again, guys, I will kill trades. Final target, 617 if you're short NASDAQ, 617. We might get 593, so I take that back. Next target down is 29.30 if anybody is short. I mean, I got another account in the daily goal, so I'm not. Should be resistance here. All right, so let me change one account, guys. That one's good. There's one account. Yeah, right here. I've got 260 on one account. I'll scalp it at 40 quarter half on a pullback if it gives it to me. I don't think it's going to. It did not. Little bit of support going to be at 30. Can't scalp it yet. This is not the spot. 43 right there. Need this to drop back down below 38 and continue to matriculate lower. Got small buyers in this candle. Guys, we're down to 400 net buyers. We were well over 2,000. We're down to 400. This was our breakdown here, 55, right? Nice job, Eduardo. Eduardo has five $50,000 accounts, all between 1597 and 1670. Come on, break down. Need this to break down below 38 and a quarter, and we go ski. We came into yesterday's high and held yesterday's high. Now it's not. We can't. You should be short still from that 61 if you are. You don't want to be shorting here in the hole because we're trading into. I think we're going to eventually come down to 594, but we're holding yesterday's high and R1, right? We need to push down below that swing low at 3250, and this gets rocked. Below 3250, I think it gets rocked. But it's holding yesterday's high in a pivot. So below 30, this will come down nicely. Nice job, Onyx. 5 accounts, also between 414 and 589. And the bots are dead quiet. All down today, except for natural gas. All down. Needs to break back down below 3850, which is support. If we get below 29, it's going to be cataclysmic. Come on, it's got to break support here at 35 half. There we go. There we go. Anybody holding anything, guys? Anybody holding anything? Okay. All right. That account's done now. That's at 560. We got to get away from this area, Nolan. I'll show you. And we are now negative delta. Oh, excuse me. I'm sorry, fellas. Here comes 593, guys. Break below VWAP. You're short. Thank you, fellas. You're short. Here's my 593 target. Guys, that was from 61. If anybody was trading a cash account, that was your trade. Monster. We're down 1,000 contracts. Now they're killing these bastards. Now they're going to kill them. So where do I think we can come? Next area of support is probably 77. Yep, we're back to 40. We failed basically the 200 day. We breached the 200 day and we failed the 200 day. Nice job, Sam. Nice job, guys. We're still shorts, fellas. Nothing's changed. We're still shorts. We haven't even completely broken down yet. Where do we break down? We're going to break down. Hourly is going to come down to 71 to 77. That better hold, or else we're going to go hourly shorts. You can try a scalp here at 91. This is a brand new, fresh, clean account. Brand new account. Zero balance. Everything else is between 450 and 600. This is my 7th account today. 7th. Come on, you dog. No, it's going to turn up. And I'm frozen again. Jesus, Christmas, man. I'm frozen. Man, oh man, I'll tell you. They forced me to trade out of holes. They just seriously, this is... Back above VWAP, not interested in longs. SPX. I mean, 10 minutes are short, hourlies are long. SPX could come down to 39.85, 39.80s. Come on, break down. All right, I closed that trade, guys, for 190 bucks. Nothing. First target, a little bit more. Support here. I'm not interested in longs. We're holding out some hourly support here on the NASDAQ at 95. We're back above some support at 600. Next target is 610. On a move back up, 610. Come on, go get 608. I got you going to 610. Let's go. I'll be a buddy. Come on. Should get 09. It's trying to hold VWAP. It's trying to find buyers. Sellers are pressing them on VWAP. Buyers are trying as well. And there are some buyers here. There you go. Buyers got them. Buyers got them. Got them both. Another account between 4 and 500. 7 accounts today traded, all 7 between 4 and 600. I'm done. I'm me see if I can. No, I'm done. Yeah, I took it long. I said it's going back up to 10. What do you know about VWAP? What do you know about VWAP? That's our line in the sand. Yes? Listen, you're the one that you and my brother, Nolan, are the only two guys in the order flow class that took the time to mock up some charts and send them to me. Two guys in the class. You have a very good grasp on support and resistance, right? You're welcome, Joe. So where did that trade come from? Here's NASDAQ. This is just a 5-minute. Here's VWAP. 60-minute support, 60-minute support at 95. I really should have been long at 95. Yeah. We're going to cover more of it today in class today at 11:45. Okay? So we held this hourly support. We held this on the previous 5-minute move down. Higher low. I got my trade to 10. And if I were trading it, remember, I've got to trade with Apex. I have to use targets because of that stupid trailing draw. If I were not with trailing draw, I would hold this to 27 because I think that's where we're going back up. Doesn't mean we don't flop and roll over and die, but I got the targets that I wanted. Guys, I'm trading on the screen on a DOM. I mean, if anybody's having a hard time following, let me know. Anybody have any questions? Bots had a lousy day today. Everybody that's in the funded trader group, you need to send me totals. Okay. Where are you having a hard time? And again, William, this is your first day, in the room. So I expect you to have a little bit of a hard time. I just give me one, Caleb, if you're in the group, just send me one. If you guys are here on trial or you guys are newer in the room, okay, no trades today. All right, good. So you're following along, trying to understand. I get it. I'm going to say, I'm going to tell you guys point blank. There is not a trade room in this business that does what I do. End of story. End of story. If you guys are looking to get funded and stay funded, doesn't mean we're not going to have some setbacks or, I'm not going to have some shitty little trades. It happens. I can't control the market. But overall, I will help you guys get funded. I will help you stay funded traders. I don't have an NQ short here. Let me see. Yeah, maybe. Yeah, you're breaking support here. You got to trade back to maybe 03 and then back down into VWAP. Thank you, Ray. I don't know about that, but I appreciate that compliment. Guys, I want everybody to have, I want everybody, whether you're trading a cash account or trying to get a funded account, I want every single person to be able to change their lives vis-a-vis trading, whether it's other people's money, your own account, whatever. And the best way that I know how to do it is by trading with you and trading on the screen when, of course, Apex or Ninja allow me to trade. I mean, I've never seen a Dom free so many times. I really have never seen what I saw today. Thank you, JC. I've never seen it. Let's see here. What do we got, Frank? So one of my guys says, I don't trade Apex, but your calls generated $3,400. This is a live account, cash money. You think every day that I found your website and took you, you're welcome. You're welcome, guys. Yeah, like I say, fellas, I've never seen so much freezing on a platform. I've never seen that. Now I have problems with heavy volume, but again, I am running 3 platforms simultaneously in addition to GoToWebinar. There's your 03, I think you got it. Yeah, there you go. You got targets 1 and 2. All right. Coming down, fellas, coming down. Does anybody have any questions? We're getting a little long in the tooth here, guys. I'll be right 1 minute. All right. So to be clear, I am done trading. I have traded 7 different accounts today, and they are all up between that $400 and $500. I have one that's at 600. Watch for the long here. Above that red line, so above 14, if you guys want another trade. That's would be my entry. I am not taking a trade long. Crude is not going to take a trade today, if you can believe it. That is a first. Not a single trade in crude. Bots are all down on the day. Oh, not natural gas, but that didn't have much range. Watch this long, guys. 14 if you guys want it. And then you'll take your ATM target 1. There it is. Nope, not quite. Didn't get there. Needs to get through that pink line. And we could go all the way back up to 675. So they've got longs trapped. Now they're going to try to trap the shorts heading into the close of Europe in 32 minutes. And they're going to make everybody uncomfortable. That's their job. There's your entry. You'd be long. Come on, you scum. Let's go. Yep. That's the entry I have. And this will go long probably at 53 seconds. There is no target. If you're trading an Apex account, you're using an ATM strategy. You have that in place. First target is 20 ticks. So 14 to 19 would be target 1. Come on, push you little dingbat. Let's go. This will go long in 15 seconds. 28 seconds. So we got the 14. 20 seconds this should go. Just back testing that trend line. Nice job, Stuart. All right. We should be clear to go now. Come on. Just has to pop back above 14 again. 19 is target 1. Come on. Seriously? This little tag here. Are you kidding me? This little tag at 18.75. Come on. I have buyers. Come on, buddy. And then 27. And if you guys want to get aggressive, you can try for 32, but I think we get 19 and 27. It is 11 o'clock. I'll do bot trades. Oh, you kidding me? 1 tick. One tick. Back into VWAP. All right, guys, it's 11 o'clock. Let's go over bot trades. They are not pretty today. ES bot down 1,700. Overall losing day for the bots. Happens rarely. Crude did not take a trade. NASDAQ down $5. We started at down $5. We finished at down $5. YM down $95. A nothing day with the exception of ES. And natural gas up $2.50. So if we subtract ES, it would be a small net positive, but ES being ES. I'm going to cut back contracts on ES on the bot. I should be trading them equal or fair value. Guys, for those of you in order flow class, I will see you in 45 minutes, give or take. I'm going to go eat lunch. For those of you in the 1 o'clock session, I will see you in a couple hours. Anybody that is in the funded trader group, it is incumbent upon you to send me your totals before 11:30. I will enter them. Okay? Yep. Thank you, Onyx. I know many of you did. I see the emails coming in on my phone. For my trial members, I appreciate your first day. A couple of announcements just to reiterate. I will not be in the room. The room will not be open on Friday. I will not be here. I'll be out of town. A week from tomorrow, next Wednesday. If you don't have, just send it to me, Tom. Just send it to me so I can track it. If you guys, I'm sorry, next Wednesday, only for, there's a group of us, not for the morning group. There's a separate afternoon group. No, send me an email. Don't put it in here. I won't remember. Guys, next Wednesday, I will not be in the room either. My wife is having surgery. As you guys well know or do know, she is having she's having a spinal fusion. So I will be with my wife in the hospital on next Wednesday. I will not be in the room on Friday. I will be out of town. I rarely miss work, but I am headed out of town and back on Sunday. Okay? Just letting you guys know. I will see everyone tomorrow.